It's Capen over at AppleIPhoneApps.com, and I'm on a mission to find the best movie application in the App Store. And today my search starts with Movies.app by Jeffrey Grossman. Let's start with a quick overview. Once I launch Movies.app, I'm instantly taken to a search screen where I can put in any zip code I want, choose what day I want to see a movie, and then I can choose to search either by movie title or by theater. So I'll go ahead and run the search now. It shows me all the theaters around the zip code that I entered. And then once I find the theater of choice, it'll give me a list of films in that theater. And let's go ahead and take a look at WALL-E. So you'll see here, once that we load a movie, the first thing we get is details about the movie. We see the length, the genre, the rating. We can watch a trailer. Then down below I see what theater the movie's playing at, and I can even see all the show times for the movie for today. I can also buy tickets or get a map right to the theater, which launches my Maps application. So a couple of other interesting features this program has. It has a box office tab down below, and that lets me see actually how movies are doing in the box office. So I can see how much money each film is making. And then it also has a coming soon tab. So if I can't find the movie that I'm looking for, or I want to know what's going to be in the theaters next week, I can quickly look at the coming soon tab. Alright kiddies, now let's take a look at the pros and cons and find out if this app can be my movie app of choice for my iPhone. Let's start with the things that it does right. The first thing that it does right is it's free, which I always appreciate, since it looks like nowadays I'll have to shell out more than $12 to see one of these films. So it's nice that this app doesn't cost me anything. Another major plus is the ability to watch a trailer right within the app. So you'll see here for WALL-E, I can just click watch trailer and the trailer pops right up. So you'll see here we're watching the WALL-E trailer, and then when I'm done watching the trailer I simply click and select done, and I'm right back in the application. It didn't take me anywhere, so that's a really nice feature. The box office stats is also something nice and unique to a lot of movie apps. Shows me actually what everybody's watching, so I can quickly at a glance see what it is, and the same thing with the coming soon. So those are the major pluses of the programs. Now let's take a look at some of the things that this app doesn't do so well. My first gripe has to do with the search. They didn't take advantage of the iPhone's built-in search recognition tool, and they make me manually type my zip code. This is fine if I want to search for a movie near my house or where I live, but what if I'm somewhere where I don't really know the zip code where I'm at? Then it's going to be very hard for me to find a movie. Also, once I go ahead and select go, it gives me all the theaters, but I don't know how far away they are from me, so it expects me to know which theater I want to go to. Another flaw for this application is that once I actually do find a theater that I want and find a film that I want, it doesn't show me any description of the movie, which might not be bad since they do have the trailer feature, but then they give me a rating, but I don't know where these mysterious ratings are coming from. And even though I love the box office feature down below, let's say I want to see one of these films. Why can't I click on Hancock and find out where it's playing? Instead I have to go back and launch my search all over again. And now finally, my biggest complaint with the app is it doesn't have a built-in save state of what I was doing the last time I used the app. This may not sound like a big deal, but if I do find a movie that I like and I do want to go see it, and for example, if I click one of the features within the app, such as buy tickets, go to IMDb, or even getting a map to the theater, it takes me out of the app and takes me to my Maps application. But now, wait, what time was that movie again? I'm not sure. Let me go back into my Movies app. So I go into the Movies app, but the problem is it didn't save where I was, so I have to start all over from scratch. So this is not, so if you're trying to use this as a daily utility to find a quick movie, this might not be the best app for you. Overall, Movies.app is a nice free app which is easy to use, but these critical flaws will keep it from being my recommended movie application. I guess my search to find the best movie app will continue. Keep checking back to AppleIPhoneApps.com to see more movie application reviews, as they'll be coming fast and furious until I find the one I need. Thanks for tuning in. Once again, this is Capen with AppleIPhoneApps.com, and I'll sync with you next time.